Zesty, fruity orange slices. Hi everyone! This tutorial will show you how to crochet an orange slice. You will need the following materials. With your 3mm crochet hook and white yarn, begin by creating a magic ring. Round 1. Hook in 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. Pull the ring close, joining your light orange yarn into the last stitch. Round 2. Round 2. Hook in 2 single crochets or single crochet increase in every stitch in the round. Round 3. Single crochet increase in every stitch in the round. Round 4. Single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet increase in the next stitch. Repeat this 12 times, rejoining your white yarn into the last stitch. There are 36 stitches in this round. Round 5, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Joining your orange yarn into the last stitch. Round 6, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Fasten off and leave an 8-inch tail for sewing. Let's sew in the pith of the orange using white yarn. Divide the orange into 8 parts by pulling your white yarn through round 5 and into the center of the orange. Fold the orange round together, forming a half circle. Sew on the back loops only of the folded sides together. Weave in any loose ends. Add these orange slices to your projects. Until the next video, thank you for watching and happy crocheting.